The products of one are the raw materials of the next. Sometimes the connections are direct and linear, glycosis. Some biochemical pathways are circular and loop around onto themselves, like the Calvin cycle or the citric acid cycle. These complex networks must be integrated and precisely controlled, or they result in disease. The metabolic process involves breaking down the food and transforming it into molecules and ultimately cells that power the body. Catabolic reactions break down complex molecules into simpler ones and release the energy stored in chemical bonds. These reactions that release free energy are exergonic. Anabolic reactions link simple molecules to form more complex molecules. They require input of energy and capture it in the chemical bonds that are formed. Reactions that require or consume energy are endergonic. Anabolic and catabolic often link. Energy from catabolic used to drive anabolic reactions. Energy, the capacity to do work, or in biological systems, the capacity for change. It comes in two forms: potential energy, the energy of state or position. It's stored energy such as chemical bonds, concentration gradients, electric charge imbalance. Kinetic energy, the energy of movement, the type that does work, that makes things change. The free energy that is released in exergonic reactions powers other endergonic reactions. The free energy that powers cells comes from ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, an energy currency. It's composed of ribose sugar, adenine, and 3 phosphate groups. Then ATP is oxidized. It loses a phosphate group. This exergonic reaction provides the free energy that lowers the energy of activation and powers the reaction. ATP becomes ADP with 2 phosphate groups and is then reduced back to ATP, and the cycle starts over again.